Hello, how we doing? Sorry, I'm a few minutes late. I was doing something in the background. Right, Tuesday is here finally. Not the best start to the week yesterday, so fingers crossed we can get into a winner today. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? That'd be nice. But Tuesdays tend to be choppy, so I'm not holding out too much hope. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't think there's any news to worry about. We had retail sales just under an hour ago, and yeah, there's nothing else to really worry about. Tomorrow's a big day, innit? Tomorrow's a big day. FOMC tomorrow would be interesting. Still forecast to hold rates as they are, but I think the real juice will come in the statement afterwards. Right, how are we doing? Right, let's get a bigger time frame up. Relatively choppy London session. Pretty much sideways the majority of it. Asia, we had a bit of a sell-off. So I'd like to think as London session was a bit choppy, a bit consolidated, we should not have a consolidation session during the New York AM. Is what I'm thinking, but we also had quite a big day yesterday, and I think after big days we tend to get choppy days, so I can't see it being anything amazing today, unless we do one better have an even bigger day. But right, let's get a poll out. Let me know what your thoughts are for the session. I'm sticking to my not thinking of a bias rule, but I'm interested to see what everyone else thinks for this session. Yeah, let me know what your bias is for the session. Oh, fucking knackered today. Got a fresh new haircut this morning, so I'm feeling fresh, reset, ready to go. So it looks like we're going to be opening up below VWAP. EMA's not really clear direction yet. So yeah, it could be a bit of a choppy open, to be honest. Undecided. Not going to rush into anything. Oh, we've got 2 minutes to open. Oh, fucking missus has hung one of her dresses up in the background. Sorry about that. I was thinking earlier, right? What if Israel just decides to drop a fucking nuke on Iran? How fucking terrifying would that be, eh? Sure, it's on your dress. No, not today. It's not my colour. Alright, 30 seconds. And we're open. Oh, nice push straight up. Fuck me, 40 points. In a couple of seconds, nice. Let's not dwell on such a scenario. What I was saying about Israel. Yeah, the only reason I started thinking about it is because Trump quickly left the Middle East, didn't he, for Washington. And I just thought, oh, I wonder if he knows something that no one else does. Alright, quite a strong open so far. Extremely unlikely anyway. Yeah, it's definitely unlikely, but you just fucking never know, do you? You never know in this fucking day and age. They might feel like a bit emboldened because obviously they've just cracked on with a Gaza invasion. No one seems to no one's really stopped them. They just started bombing around randomly. No one stopped them. Everyone seems to be on their sides. They might think, fuck it, we'll just drop a nuke on the city and end it. But no, I don't imagine they will, but scary thought. I had the same thoughts when Russia and Ukraine kicked off. I'm a bit of a doomsday warrior. Not so much like warrior, but I just like to be prepared, do you know what I mean? So yeah, about an hour ago I was Googling where the blast radius, the fallout would be, would it come towards the UK, bloody bloody blah. Do I need to drive up to Scotland to get away from it? But no, I should be right where we are. We've come back. Are we retesting or are we does that push up the sweep? Worst case, Iran attack Saudi, forcing US's hand. Yeah, that seems unlikely. I think they've got their own issues at the minute. It's unlikely they'd be dragging anyone else into it. I can see us at least having another test of VWAP. What do you reckon then on interest rates? I don't think they'll change anything tomorrow, but I'm more interested in what might happen to the next one. I mean, the next one is July, I think. And yeah, I think they could maybe say something tomorrow that might hint at rate cut in July, possibly. Because after that, I think the next one's like September. I don't think there is one in August. So I feel like they might want to drop it before. So I think they're still, markets are still predicting, I think, 2 this year. So yeah, 1 in July, maybe 1 October, November or something. I was thinking about longing from there then, but I was working out the risk, but I don't know, it's just not. I do want to give it a little minute just to see what it's doing, because EMAs aren't really lined up very well on the 5 minute. Still a bit choppy really, but yeah, I like the idea long on from there just because VWAP was there as well. It's saying that we can get choppy around VWAP sometimes, can't we? Leo, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Working along since the open, yeah, nice. You should be in the green then, I'd have said. Just go out, nice one, man, nice. I was thinking about taking this here, but I don't know. I just feel like on the 5 minute it was still just feel like we're still looking a little bit choppy. He made sort of going sideways, so I just wanted to give it a little minute, be patient. In hindsight, should have taken it maybe, because would have probably been hitting take profit around now. Stop loss would have been, break of opening candle, entry would have been for me at 10 to 15% of the candle with 25%, 25 point take profit, yeah? Yeah, which is around here, which is where I was sort of thinking about. Overall market is consolidated. Yeah, Tuesdays as well can be choppy. We had a fairly decent day yesterday, so I'm expecting it to be not. Oh, fuck me! What's just happened here? Has Israel dropped the bomb? Yeah, I haven't got financial juice up. Why am I not with it? Nice one into trade today, yeah, I bet. That's the dream, and it is being done nice and early. Yeah, no idea what that candle was about. I'm glad I sat on my hands for this. I think I would have, my take profit would have been hit, but it would have been very close. So yeah, I'm glad I was patient with it. Especially after, I think, the last few days, I feel like I've missed out on a decent trade because I haven't taken the sort of first setup straight after the open. Yeah, we're looking quite heavy now, aren't we? Wondering if we're breaking out of ascending wedge starting the way back. 7th of April. What's this? Yeah, potentially. We'll definitely do a little sell-off, won't we? The best position. Depends how you like to draw these, isn't it? Yeah, something is brewing. I can't delete this line, my buttons are working. Good, did it. Yeah, something is brewing. Middle of the range day, maybe we broke below. Get liquidity yet. What was my long target? That short target, I mean 21,883 was my short target. It would be might be a bit of a stretch, but you never know. 180 points down from where we are now. Just like we could be rejecting VWAP. It's not saying I'd be confident enough to trade though. I'm looking pre-market and post 11 AM US time, yeah? You have 15 seconds to decide what, whether or not you're gonna get into a trade or not. Oh, you have to take a short or long. Oh, okay, right, yeah. A short. Very difficult place to take a trade though, middle of the range, isn't it? But yeah, purely short just for the idea of a breakout, but wouldn't be targeting much more than anywhere down here really. Take profit, stop loss is high or low the 5 minute. Ooh. Yeah, definitely the low, I think. That's what makes sense, but as nasty as the markets are, we would come up and have another sweep up here first, but it's a difficult one because I don't have a bias. If I did have a bias, it would be choppy, do you know what I mean? So I wouldn't trade it. I'd want to be getting in on the outer limits of this range. Ba-da-ba. 2060. Anyway, I feel like I would have got a better entry there. I'd have been entering up here. 2063. Not like it makes a difference. I'm about to be stopped out, but there you go, stopped out. Don't fit in the middle, my friends. Yeah, 100%. That's why I wouldn't. It's not one that I would have taken. So, Lewis, you're liking pre-market, are you then? What do you class as pre-market? Do you class like London session as pre-market or like 8 AM New York time? I'd be short from here, Lewis, if I could get in again. $821.860 I'd be short from. Targeting VWAP. Yeah, 7:30/8 AM UK time through to US Open. Okay, so yeah, London session basically. I'll allow one fill. 73 average position, 2 con. 73? I suppose that's when I said it out loud, wasn't it? Yeah, fair enough. I'm thinking a break below 22.010 for a run down. Yeah, I mean, for me, a break out either side would do. Just don't know if we're going to get it. Or if we do, it might be after 11 or something. Oh, fuck me, I'm knackered today. Good nap. Whoa. I'll feel that bounce. £250. What do you think we'll get a 250 point sell off? That'd be a sell off, wouldn't it? Not me. That'd be nice. I feel like we would need some bad news. I don't know if we'll get that today unless there's some news. FOMC tomorrow. I can't see it being anything major going on today. Thinking of another payout after tomorrow. Nice, Lewis. Nice. Been smashing it recently. Dude, I was long in the VWAP, third day in a row, price spikes in my favour. Nice, man. Trouble is, one day it's going to spike not in your favour. I'm afraid of what's waiting for me. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's going to happen at some point. I can't bear the spikes. Lewis, I'm short again from here. Back to VWAP. Tips funded, just under 4k. On a 2.8 after today. 1 of 500 last one. 140 down. Oh, what happened on that last one? I was going to say good job, but that last one just ruined it for you, mate. Sorry. No, mate, joking. Smashing it, man. Fair play. I've just now 81. 3 contracts. How would you get 81? Hang on, this isn't the same trade. This is a separate trade. I've already hit take profit. Take profit was VWAP. So I'm out of that trade. I'm in a new one. Where did I say? 88. Wait, I've got a problem with my broker. Go and don't like it. Didn't like it, okay. First done it yesterday. Oh, that's not too bad, is it? I'll let you off then if it's only one day trading. There you go, I'm out on this. Stopped out. Cut it, Lewis, cut it. I'm at 22 over. No, I won't. I'm now in fucking 2 contracts more than I wanted to be in. And I should have already taken profit. Big rejection from there. You're out. You owe me 5k. You're broke. 1k slippage too. Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me. Your fucking delay. I'll become a broke, a good little earner. Trouble is, mate, you'll have no customers. Everyone will be complaining that you're not closing it when you wanted to close it. Ignoring people's take profits. Oh, sweet, yeah, I know, man. It's a bit of a wild day, innit? I've got no fucking clue what it wants to do, to be honest. That's what most do, don't they? Yeah, probably. I'd have sure just stop loss. Hey, it's fucking half day Thursday, isn't it? Just had an email from Tradeify. Wasn't aware of this. Fuck me. It just closed completely, I think. 19th. Who the fuck has holidays on a Thursday? Yeah, I wasn't aware of that, so it's not going to be a full week of trading then, because there's no trade on Thursday. Oh, Sam, did you try to trade crypto? Yes, when I before I got into futures, I was trying to trade crypto, and emphasis on the word try, because yeah, not very well. Sort of realised that I'm a better buy and hold kind of person with crypto. We couldn't head in for a late session sell-off, yeah. If we do get anything, I think it might be after 11. But I wouldn't like to take a guess at which direction, to be honest. Some nice rejections on the upsides, yeah, potentially sell off, but and the guy on Twitter was saying I kept fading him, no hate, but he was red 90% of the time. He's generally considering to pay Discord for signals to fade himself. Oh man, that's quite funny. There should be something that you can set up. I don't know if there is, but there should be something that every time he presses a button, his broker automatically reverses whatever he's doing. Do you know what I mean? So if he presses buy, it actually sells. At least he's big enough of a man to own up to it, admit it, and take it on the chin, embrace it. Do you know what I mean? If I play to grow in a minute, yeah, 100%, man. We could be going for a gap fill, potentially. Up to 170s. He's entered ES longs 5 minutes ago. Stop loss 060. Let's see what happens. Take profit is 90. That's ruin my long bias then. It's going to be quite a difficult day to long though, to be honest. Does seem that we're breaking away now, but zoom out a little bit, we're at the top end of this range. Even if we sweep this high, it's difficult to be longing up here, isn't it? It's 500 away from blowing my Thunder Futures family account. Now 340 from passing. Nice, man. Nice. Congrats. Hope you get there. Oh, for me, how have you been? Yeah, not too bad, mate. Just plodded along still. Fundeds are basically the same as what they have been for the last month or so. Taking a couple of trades on them, but yeah, still pretty much break even. And yeah, down slightly on this challenge. Started it maybe a week or so ago. Yeah, I've gone back to the EMAs. So yeah, hopefully have a bit more success going back to the OG. Trading personal since I broke my laptop. $124. Nice, man. Nice. That's good, those. Bars are still pushing. Now I'm at 4,100 on the day. Nice flowing, man. That's decent. That's decent. It's been our day to read today as well, so fair play. As in deep chop mode, don't trade people on day if you didn't catch the New York Open yet. Yeah, I'm up for taking a trade, but I'm not in a rush. I want to see us break out of this sort of little range that we've been in. When we've broken out, we just need to hold it. Went for a long. Awful entry. Chance I can share with you. Can go over it in a course or something. You send them over, mate, but I'm not up for a call. I'm trying to stick to one strategy at the minute because I've been flip-flopping strategies for the last few months, and I need to just focus on one thing for the time being. But yeah, thank you anyway though, mate. Yeah, not loving the entry that I've got, as we've obviously just swept that level, but I've got to take a punt at some point, so if I don't, I'll end up just sitting here watching it go to previous day close. Giving it enough room to have a bit more of a pullback if it needs it. Half the time rotations, nice. Done for the day, might stop by tomorrow, good luck. Nice one, Vlaim. Yeah, see you tomorrow if you're around. FOMC day tomorrow, careful. Taco, how you doing, mate? Good morning. How are you? How are you? Feel like you're in a phase I was in, Sam, after my first 7-8 months, mate. I'm in a phase, I'll tell you that. This is a phase and a half. Direct trade idea was right, but entry was too early, or I was like, yeah. Yeah, trouble is, it's like the trades that I was thinking about yesterday, I sort of missed the boat on because I was hesitating on too much, so I'm trying to sort of jump in, and you never know how far back it's going to pull back, do you? The day that I enter, we'll pull back loads. The day I don't enter, we'll barely pull back. But I think the phase that I'm in at the minute is whatever I do, the market does the opposite. Yeah, we need a strong push away from here. Otherwise, it's going to be a loss, I think. Oh, it's a decent bar. We'll move up below the swing line now, because I think if we're coming back down here, we're probably going to come back down further. Man always said it should feel scary at the best entry points and it'll always go higher. Then you think, yeah. That's a good way to think about it. It should always feel scary at your entry points. I like that. Because that's the idea, isn't it? It's, I mean, it's the same with investing and stuff. You want to be entering when most people are fearful. Sometimes I can do that quite nicely, but other times I find it really difficult. I think you've got to be very confident with your trade idea, haven't you? Might be both sides of the coin. Problem is that the day is overall consolidated and the trade was right after the sweep. Yeah. But the trouble is when, especially on consolidation days, we end up keep sweeping the external liquidity. Because I've been there before where I'm like, right, yeah, we've had the sweep. Now we're alright for longs. And we come up here, maybe we sweep this high, then rather than coming back up, like this would be in the entry. But rather than coming back up, we just come down and then sweep this again. And then come back up. You know, one of them days where we just keep getting wider and wider. Sort of while I was trying to avoid that, I wanted a clear breakout of the larger range. But the trouble is with a breakout of a larger range, you're going to get a larger pullback. So sort of why I went with a bigger stop, but maybe I should have looked for a better entry because of that larger pullback that I was expecting. I know about the phase, I was so close. I just had a 1k payout. 5 years a trader, first time really taking money from the markets. Had like 7 accounts all funded, slowly bled them and lost them all. Oh man. It's fucking hard, isn't it? It is so hard. But you just got to regroup, back to the basics, and keep going at it. I've always said a good entry on a losing trade is better than a bad entry on a winning trade. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. If you've got a good entry on a bad trade or on a losing trade, you very quickly know that you're wrong. You get a bad entry on any trade, it can take a little while to figure out if you're wrong. Right now, could very easily come back and stop me out and continue going up as well. That's the annoying thing. I'm just in that awkward position, awkward place. Bum, 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 bum. I also struggle in situations like this not to react off every single 1 minute bar. Like I'm seeing this bar and I'm thinking, I need to close the trade. It's going to come back down. But I've just got to be, okay, my stop's where it is and just deal with it. Five minute, 15 looking like 5 minutes looking alright. I don't know about the 15. Don't love where my stop is on the 15. Yeah, 15 is not looking great. 15 is looking top of the range-ish, but beneficial, I think, to at least look at least a 5 minute time frame. Oh yeah, I've got the I have got the 5 minute up. But me. For that for a fucking wick. Yeah, obviously you guys can't see it. Let me get my head out of the way. 5 minute down here, 30-second up here. And obviously this is normally 1 minute. Fill price is alright on that. Could have been worse. Didn't end that trade because of 5 minute. Just got a sweep and reverse of the bar. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I should have been a bit more patient. I said we just swept the high of the range. I was expecting a consolidation day. I'm just impatient, man. Yeah, crashed idea. Oh. It needs to shave some of the risk off. Because I was a little bit over risk on that trade too. I don't know how this 5-minute close is going. I'm going long again. Okay, nice. Yeah, it's looking alright at the minute. Just bounced off anchored VWAP as well. Right, I'm heading off. We'll go view a house. Oh, nice one. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Nice, man. Enjoy. What say you then, Leo? I think if I was going to take a second one, I'd be taking this. I think it looks alright. I'm not taking it because I'm about to head off in a sec, but... One minute where he switched sides, so I'm careful, hey. But I'm in. Yeah, 5 minutes I think is looking quite good, but... As well, I don't know if you use anchored VWAP, but anchored VWAP from New York Open is around here as well. We're respecting that nicely. But I'll keep an eye on it anyway. See how you get on. But I'm going to head off anyway. The missus wants to go to the shop, so... Eyes off skis. Just what I look for. Big volume, works on the EMA. Gotta take it. Yeah, that's what... Why I like the look of this. We had a bit of a volume spike here. And it seemed to be shooting up quite quickly. And I entered at the top of the fucking candle. But I'm liking the volume spikes. Yeah, we've got a nice one. Nice one here. But I got my fingers crossed for you, Leo. But I shall see everyone tomorrow. FOMC day tomorrow. And yeah, we hopefully can claw back the damage on the week. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Right, I've just entered on my practice account. Right, see you tomorrow, guys. Cheers for stopping by. I hope you have a good rest of your session.